What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do the Obsidian Camp right over here in this far eastern province, Onyx Tundra. You'll find the mystical crate as well as the weapon and armor crates, but keep in mind this area is pretty icy and there will be a couple of enemies nearby. Now, usually we'll start off at the Rift Anchor, but as you'll see, this is quite a snaking uphill area. What you need to do is find your way all the way up to the very back over here, nearby the south side. That's where we'll start by collecting different items, working our way through towards the Rift Anchor. The easiest way to do this is to follow the road like this, all the way up, all the way until we get through here to the very top here. Let's do that quickly. And of course, you might even have a quest here. In order to get up there, just follow the road and eventually you'll get to where you need to be. It will be marked off on the map the way that you need to travel. In order to get up towards the main section of the building, you'll need to head all the way up this road to this section here, which is a cave that you'll drive into, as the road pretty much just ends here. Heading into this, you should be able to follow this track all the way up. Entering this main area over here is where we can start collecting our things. So, right over here, near the main burning tower in the center, you'll find the first thing, which is the weapon crate. If we run up to this and loot it, this is what we get from it. Then the gear crate should be immediately to your left, up here, next to this little icon, all the way up, left again, left at the very top here, and across you'll find the gear crate sitting right here, usually guarded by 1 or 2 enemies. Inside of the gear crate, you'll find these items. Fantastic. If you're here for the quest, it's a good idea to complete it while you're down here before progressing upwards. Heading to just these 2 locations should tick off that part of the quest. Now we'll need to head up in order to complete this. So if we continue up this way over here, up these stairs to the right, continuing up, then taking this bridge across towards this vulture's sign, you can of course head up the other way right below us here. We'll keep following it into this main section of the cave here, where you'll tick off the next part of this quest, and we're now outside with a little mini boss that spawned in. You may notice that this is a reused asset from a previous area boss. Just dodging at the right time while the axe flies towards you is enough to take no damage from this. Fantastic. Get rid of the vulture's boss, you'll see the Rift Anchor. Activating this, we can now find our mystical crate, which should be located all the way at the very top. So we'll head up these stairs here after we complete this part of the quest. So up here, heading across, all the way to the top, you'll find an entrance to the building just to the right here. And of course, a little picture of the area that you can get for some extra star chrome. Bam, there we go. Heading into this building here, we'll head up the staircase to the right and take an immediate right once more, up another staircase, all the way to the top section here, where you'll find a window just below us that we're going to try and parachute across to. There probably is an easier way to get there, but we'll just do it from here. So parachuting from this section, all the way across and out this window, pretty easy. We'll head to the right and up this little wooden structure, where at the very top here, you'll find this section that we can simply hop out of onto the roof, and over here, the mystical crate. That's it. With that, we've now 100%ed this area, so hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.